Everyone knows this Instagram shot at Joo Chiat, the Peranakan houses. But what else is there to do to make your trip here worthwhile? But first, coffee.
Eat, see, guide.
Peranakans are also known as street Chinese. They are the descendants of Chinese and indigenous people here. You know, many people say that Singapore is a melting pot of cultures, but the Chinese, Malay, and Indian each have their own cultural representations. So we are more of a mixing pot than melting pot. But I guess the Peranakans can be considered a result of a melting pot.
This is Chin Mee Chin Confectionery, a Hainanese coffee shop that has been around since the 1920s, feeding generations of East Coast families with kaya toast, soft eggs, and old-school bakes.
Chin Mee Chin is also known for these sugee cake, cream horn, and hum susi. But I don't think these are Peranakan though.
Many of the Peranakans moved to this area when the city centre got crowded. There were a lot of seaside and coastal villas.
Although this is East Coast, the sea is now very far from here because of land reclamation. Did you know that Singapore expanded its land area by 25% through land reclamation?
You can see from these conserved terraced houses that they are all elevated to protect from possible high tides.
These European plaster designs are quite charming.
These are some of the prettiest shophouse facades. See the patterned tiles and wooden shutters? You can find a lot of Peranakan artifacts and souvenirs here. There are also dumplings and other foodstuffs.
So here we are at the Peranakan houses that made Joo Chiat go viral. The pastel facades, the floral tiles, the postcard of Singapore.
The side with beautiful tiles are best shot in the morning, while the other side with the elaborate plasterwork will look great in the afternoon. There are also other Insta-worthy houses in the vicinity, but be discreet as they are all private properties.
There are a lot of European influence in the designs. While the Peranakans love to incorporate this, I'm still thinking of the sugee cakes from earlier.
Perhaps the European influence is more direct. A short walk from Koon Seng is an unimposing building which is the Eurasian Community House, home to the Eurasian Heritage Gallery. Eurasians are the other result of the melting pot of cultures. They are the descendants from European and Asian ancestry. Many of them stayed in this area with the Peranakans. They are a small minority, but there are quite a few famous Eurasian Singaporeans.
Well, I've heard of Singlish, but did you know that the Eurasians have their own language called Kristang? It's a mix of Portuguese and Malay. Wow, so sasak! It means you're so stylish.
On the other hand, food will always find a way to survive through the generations. Sugee cakes, cream horns, and pang susi were sold by Chin Mee Chin to cater to the Eurasian community here. Let's go try some Eurasian food! Downstairs from the gallery is Quentin's, one of the few dedicated Eurasian restaurants in Singapore. Eurasian food is an interesting mix of European and Asian cuisines.
Both the Peranakan and Eurasian cultures are vibrant in the Joo Chiat area. These are the true melting pot cultures you should experience in Singapore. Beyond just Chinatown, Little India or Kampong Glam, this is an area you should definitely visit.
There is much more here. More street art to admire, more friendly people to interact with, more interesting architecture to see, and definitely more food to sample and try. If this walk changed how you see Joo Chiat, hit like, share it with a friend coming to Singapore, and tell me in the comments which part surprised you most, the architecture or the fact that there's an entire Eurasian culture hidden just beyond the postcard. Details of all the places we have visited are in the description. Check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.